Hi, my name is Håkan Sandström and I work as a software designer for finance at IFS R&D. Today you will get a quick glance on how to use our financial planning module, Business Planning, in combination with our Excel add-on, Business Reporter. I will show examples on how demand-driven planning can be done for different roles in a company. To start off with, we will have a look at the sales manager, then the production manager, and finally the department manager. First, let's have a look on how you can set up a planning rule that helps the sales manager. By doing so, we move the calculation logic away from Excel, making it centralized and available for all end users during the planning process. In IFS application, simply select an input for your planning rule, in this case the number of units related to a specific product family. Then set up the calculation logic which you want to apply for the selection. In this case, we will multiply with an average price for the selected product family. Then we define an account and possibly other planning dimension values for the output of the calculation. In Excel, using IFS Business Reporter, we then build a report displaying number of units for different product families and the average price per product family. All information fetched from IFS Business Planning. In the lower section, I have used standard Excel functionality in combination with stored planning values to visualize how the report compares to what's already saved in the IFS application database. The sales managers are asked to go through their planned amounts, and when satisfied with their changes, they will use write-back functionality to save them to the database. When they rerun the report, you will see that the report is reconciled with the values stored in the database. There is, in other words, no need to spend unnecessary time consolidating numerous spreadsheets being sent across the organization, as often is the case in the planning process. Next step in the planning process could be for the production managers to determine the cost of goods sold. We used existing sales planning as a base, but now focus on the production cost using different percentages for different cost types. The calculation has once again been defined in IFS Business Planning and is triggered when performing write-back from the Business Reporter report. Just as before, when the changes related to the selected product family has been done, make sure the output is as expected and write them back to the database. Finally, it's time for the department managers to do their planning. In this case, they are asked to decide on number of employees per category needed for the coming year. The provided input is then calculated with an average salary, and other personnel costs are automatically calculated from predefined factors. As a base for the non-personnel cost, previous year's actuals has been fetched into the report and is used as a starting point. That was 3 examples on how you can use business planning in combination with Business Reporter. By specifying the output of your rules in accordance with your financial chart of accounts, it is, as you can see, possible to feed a complete income statement without asking the end users to plan on actual financial accounts. The planning format will of course vary, depending on the type of business and purpose of the plan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe to IFS Insider.